Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to Dual English Academy once again. So, in our studio today, the guest name is Saiful Islam. So, Saiful Islam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So, today I will give you a challenge. The challenge is I will give you 20 sentences. You have to speak those sentences in English, but I will speak you in Bangla.
Yes.
You will not get enough time to think about the grammar rules of those sentences. You have to speak those sentences in English without thinking the grammar functions. So let's check you are able to speak those sentences or not. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. The first sentence is for you. আমি আমার দিনটা তাড়াতাড়ি শুরু করি।
I start my day early.
Wow, nice delivery from you. আমি প্রতিদিন